Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have something different that I never did, but the other day I posted on my Instagram. If you're not following me already, make sure to follow me. My friend has been asking me for a texting buddy, so I figured let me find her a texting buddy on Omegle. So I posted a story and people probably think I'm joking, but I'm not. She needs a texting buddy, guys. Anyways, so I decided to do this, finding my friend a texting buddy on Omegle. I've never been on Omegle and she doesn't even know what Omegle is. So I have something, going here. So I have the list of things that she requires for a texting buddy, and I'm just gonna see who we get. So if you want to watch this potential funny video, then keep watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. So I'm gonna put on the interest, I'm gonna put texting buddy, and let's do the video chat. Well, hello there. He was whack. I couldn't even see his face. What in the... No. She likes 8 inches. How old are you? I guess he was shy. Yo, these badass little kids. Hello. Thanks. Well, I'm 25, but I'm actually on here because my friend is looking for a texting buddy. Want to text? Want to play? Do you want to text?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I can't see you.
I'm just hanging back off the camera.
Why?
This is why.
This is why.
Oh, wow.
This? I don't think I'm gonna find her texting buddy here.
Oh, wow.
Alright, we have some potential.
Give it to me.
Do you wanna be my friend's texting buddy?
It's only stranger. To me. When suddenly it changes. Finally it changes. Yo! Oh God. I feel so stupid.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. It's 1 out of what? How many? 5? What? In the actual? Yo, was she like breast pumping? What?
Hi, how are you, beauty?
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. What's going on?
So, my friend, she's looking for a texting buddy.
Oh, are you looking for fun?
She's looking for fun, but she doesn't like hairy chests.
Who's she?
My friend.
Where is she? Can I see?
She is in another state, but I'm looking for somebody for her.
I might not fit for her, but I like you most.
No, not me. And she doesn't like hair. What are you doing there? You playing with your pussy? Ooh. I like that apron. Hey. Okay. I think you won this challenge. Hey.
In the jungle with bears and tigers, I'm coming out fly. I take a stand for my brother, put my hand on the Bible, I'm still gonna lie. You can have all the fame in the world won't stop, no cry. Chain and the hugger made a savage. Chain from the bottom, disadvantage. Then I start living my dreams. That shit turned me to an addict. It ain't about the money, you can have it.
He next to me.
Hello.
Hi. How old are you?
12. Took me a second.
I'm like, why you have to think?
I just turned 12.
What have you bumped into on here?
Pretty much nothing.
You don't see no like nasty stuff on here?
Only once.
Once?
But I mostly just like click away.
Yeah. Do your parents know you use this app?
No.
No?
I only come on here when I'm bored.
Oh. Do you have any friends from here?
I have like 2.
Okay, that's cool. I'm trying to find a texting buddy from my friend. She's in need of like a texting buddy. You think I will find that for her?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just a lot of guys showing their stuff. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'll help you find them.
Oh yeah. Thanks. She's so cute.
Oh, what's up, Taxi?
Oh hey.
What's up?
Is that Lil Pump?
Hell yeah.
So I'm trying to find a texting buddy for my friend.
I got you.
She's very beautiful.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
She says Justin Bieber. Baby, baby, baby. Ooh. You can't hear me?
What you mean? Ooh.
Yeah, motherfuckers been out the fucking flower, son. Game ain't even fucking started, nigga.
How old are you? Oh my god.
Get out my bar.
Oh my god. When I called him Justin Bieber, that was funny. Alright, y'all. So that is what I came in contact with today on Omegle. Hopefully I can do another video like this. If you guys want to see me do another video like this, finding a texting buddy for my friend, or just being random on Omegle, then go ahead and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe. All right, I'm sorry to my dear friend that we couldn't find your texting buddy, but don't worry, Prince Charming is on the way.